Silly, let's have a little look. So this is where you park. Look at all the green, wow. Wow. It's New York over there. We're in New Jersey, but you can see New York. Wow. I wonder what this is here. I don't know what that is. I'm going to go to Statue of Liberty, Enzo. Are you ready to see it? Yeah.
Have to look where we are. Where's the sign that says you are here?
Ah, you are here. Wow. Liberty State Park. That's the toilet. Do you need the toilet, Enzo? Wow, you can see the city all there, all New York. So we're still in New Jersey here, and then there's Waller, and New York is all around the city.
That's pretty cool. I think that's one of the pieces from the Twin Towers.
Where?
Right there, that one.
Oh, is it? Oh,
I
wow.
think so. Yeah, because that's
Like
where
a
the Twin
memorial.
Towers. That
The
one
Twin
right there
Tower
it
was
used to be
standing
a,
right
yeah.
on
Oh, really?
Yes.
So if you stand right here, those were the...
And
I bet that was a view back in the day when
yeah,
they were standing.
right here, right. This side.
Yeah.
That's where the Twin Tower is.
Right.
And that's the one right there, right now.
The big World Trade. That's
Obviously,
the place.
20 years ago, you would have saw it. They would have been
We were on
standing.
top of it.
Wow, so you got to
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So when
I
it
have
went
a
down,
picture.
It was really,
Yeah. What a moment, eh?
yeah. It was very scary time.
Yeah, it's definitely. I mean, if they got to that, you were sitting there thinking, what else? What else? Yeah, totally.
Oh, where they go?
I get it. Look, that's from the Twin Towers. Wow. 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 Yeah. Ticket man from here, there's Zena in there. That's not me. Sky! You gonna go on the boat? Yeah! Yeah!
The clock is also working.
Oh yeah, it's at the time. 20 past 9 a.m. Sky! Whoa, what, you gonna push? Push, bro? Sorry?
Push bro and nanti say.
We were here. I was pregnant.
Go! Oh! Oh!
Long time ago.
Very
Oh.
long time ago.
How young are you now?
So young. About 26.
Ready?
Right, Tina?
Ah, we all look at the city there. Oh, this is a good view. Oh! Such a sunny day, so bright. Look, it just goes all the way around. Look at the bridge. There's the boat, I can see it.
Here, Enzo.
I can see the boat. There we are.
For your Instagram,
For your Instagram. Who needs Instagram when you got Daddy recording? Guys, you see her in the background there? She is smaller than I thought. She is a lot smaller. I thought she would be massive. Yeah. Wow, there's our boat there. Let's get on that.
Dito na mo. Kung sa kanina itawag ka ng mulay.
Hold it up. Hold up the front. That's it. On the boat. Popeye the Sailor Man. Wow. Off we we go. Off we go. Wow.
Yes, ate naman dito sa boat ko. Ate. Init na po na.
Yeah. We're gonna do a bit of fishing. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Get this going. Let's get the party started.
At the tip of Lower Manhattan. Over the years, it has served as a theater, an opera house, and an aquarium. It is now a National Park Service site known as Castle Clinton. When the federal government took over the processing of immigrants in the 1890s, a new receiving station was constructed on Ellis Island. By the beginning of the 20th century, thousands reached the island's shores every day. You will have the opportunity to learn much more about these immigrants and their experiences during your visit today. The main building of the Ellis Island Immigration Station complex has been restored and is now a museum.
Pretzel! Enzo! Is that a pretzel? What's that, cheese dip? It is a giant. Well, you've eaten half of it. Wow! Oh, get your sea legs! Oh no! Wow, that's awesome, man! Oh.
Mountains spring up and trees and grass look all around.
Hang on a minute, all we've done is go around.
History is made. Art is created. Things happen that should always be remembered. Heroes emerge.
Wow! Come off here, the first stop on the boat. Oh, sorry. Waiting for our stroller. Wait there. Where's what are you doing, Enzo? Are you trying to get everyone's picture? You're going to come around here? Come around here, bye. What? Thank you. You're going to get in your stroller. Immigration Centre for back in the 80s, early 90s. Whoa, the Irish! Whoa, what? This is an island, apparently. It didn't feel like an island. Look at the size of this place. My God. This is a bigger building. Go. Oh, thank you, sir. Wow. What is this place? Really? Wow. National Museum of Immigration. Wow, I've never heard of the place. Amazing. Enzo! Where's Enzo? Ah, you gotta stay with us, Enzo! They might think you're an immigrant and ask for your papers. Make you sign a contract.
Guess what?
What? What? What's here? Oh wow, what's this? It's all their luggage. This is all the luggage they left. This is what they would have been their life possessions they're bringing over. Oh yeah?
This is the old suitcases.
These are the olden days.
Yeah, this is when people would die.
No, not died. This is them coming over. Although the Titanic was heading this way. Oh, she wants her pa. The flag. Wow, what's that? Wow. Okay. Oh. Have a look at. Hey, bus.
Hey.
Oh no. Oh, jibba. Oh, it's so hot, but it's nice in here. Aircon. Like aircon. Where's Mummy Bear? Oh, where's Mummy Bear? Wow, we gotta check it all out. Where's Bobo? There's Bobo. Oh, did Mummy buy it? Enzo, I don't think Mummy's buying that. Gotta pay for that. Oh yeah, don't be stealing. My God. Ah, you just want to go for. Ah! What is this? Oh, there's something big here. Wait. Hey! Hey, Dora! What? Oh, wow, look at this sky. Look at that picture. Wow, that's some art. It's the Indians. They're saying, bugger off, Americans. You ain't welcome here. Poor buggers. Hey, poor buggers. A break. I'm trying to learn. Hey. Oh, what? Is that funny? Wow, nature's rough. Oh, where's she gone? Hey, Doe, this way. We need to find Mummy Bear, don't we? What are you doing on the floor? Sky. Yeah. Oh. Right, bro. He's gone. Lost him. Losing my children. Where's this? Oh, look at that. Planet Earth there. Wow. 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 Hey, where you going, Sky? She's gone. She's gone. So much space. I hear Mummy whistling. There.
Let me show you downstairs.
Oh, okay, 1 second. Let me grab Sky. Back on the ship. Are you ready to see the statue? Yeah. I don't say blah blah blah. Let's go.
On behalf of the National Park Service, once again, welcome aboard. When ships neared New York, the shining torch of the Statue of Liberty rose. The statue's official title symbolized freedom and opportunity that awaited them over the Atlantic. The steamer proceeded on to New York's harbor distance. The longest suspension bridge in the United States was declared a national monument. The statue
There's Her Majesty.
Woohoo! Statue of Liberty audio tour and a 45-minute
able to go all the way up to their crown.
Food and fuel services are located both aboard this vessel and in the shop near the third vessel.
Wow!
For those traveling with groups of children, and that the group remain together at all times. Under normal conditions, the last ferry will be departing from the
Woohoo!
at 6:45. Ferry schedules are posted for this vessel and
Wow. It's bigger than I thought. I thought it was just a little island, but this is big. Wow. There's the lady there. Oh. Hey, are you eating your feet? Where's your shoes? Wow. Can't see the lady behind the tree.
You look at your snow.
Hey.
Turn it over. Then it's just like we're here.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh, look at the bridge. Wow, it's a big bridge.
And then it will bring you here.
There's the lady. Wow, Statue of Liberty. Woo! Yo, what's up, man?
Look at the baby!
Hahaha.
Look at the baby!
So, how was the big lady? Do you recommend it? Nice. Is that your recommendations? Is nice? Very nice. Oh yeah, she loved it. Oh God. Goodbye.